Hello everyone and welcome back to your favorite channel. In this video we're going to take a look at some of the best home theater systems. 5 best home theater systems you can buy in 2023 available today. All the home theater systems product buying links are given in the video description. But first subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's get started. Number 5, VIZIO V Series 5.1 Home Theater Soundbar. Home theater soundbar is here to fill your home with immersive audio and bring your movies, shows, podcasts, music, and more to life like never before. This soundbar is packed with performance, featuring a sophisticated, low-profile design that fits beneath your TV, plus 3 full-range speakers, low-profile surround speakers, wireless subwoofer, and more. With DTS Virtual X 5-inch wireless subwoofer, voice assistant, input center speaker, and dialogue EQ, plus an all-new backlit display remote, this soundbar is the perfect way to create an amazing home theater experience. With its powerful performance and easy setup, the VIZIO V Series 5.1 Home Theater Soundbar is sure to impress. Number 4, Jamo Studio 9 Series Home Cinema System is the perfect choice for those looking for a premium 5.0 home theater experience with dual S809 Dolby Atmos Ready Tower speakers and S801 speakers for surround sound. This system is ready to provide a full cinematic experience with its front-firing tube-port, powerful Studio 8 waveguide technology, and fully magnetic grilles. This system is designed to deliver powerful sound and a beautiful contemporary design. Plus, it's Dolby Atmos ready for S8 ATM speakers, so you can easily upgrade to the overhead effects of this latest advancement in home theater when you're ready. If you're looking for a luxurious sound and design, then this is definitely the system for you. Number 3, Klipsch Reference Premier RP to 50F, RP to 60F, RP to 80F, model name RP to 80F, speaker type outdoor, special feature built-in elevation, recommended uses for product home theater. The country of origin is China. The Reference Premier RP to 80F floor standing speaker is the largest in the Reference Premier family, producing cinematic sound from 2 8-inch cerametallic woofers and a hybrid Tractrix horn. 1-inch linear travel suspension titanium tweeter, 90 by 90 hybrid Tractrix horn, all new Tractrix port, strong, flexible, removable grille, MDF cabinet with brushed polymer veneer baffle finish, perfect fit to add one of Klipsch Dolby Atmos elevation channel speakers to deliver overhead sound to your home theater. Dimensions: inches 43.1 to 5x 10.5x 16.375. Number 2, Sony HTA9 Home Theater System. Model name HTA9. Speaker type subwoofer. Connectivity technology Bluetooth Wi-Fi. Special feature 360 spatial sound mapping. High-res audio capable X. Balanced speaker units, immersive audio enhancement, works with the Google Assistant, AirPlay 2, and Chromecast built in 360 spatial sound mapping. High-res 360 spatial sound mapping for a whole new surround experience. Flexible layout with wireless connectivity. High-res audio capable X balanced speaker units. Immersive audio enhancement converts regular audio to near 7.1 for CH. Vivid visuals and fast-paced gameplay with 8K and 4K. 120 pass-through. Stream your way with Bluetooth Wi-Fi, Chromecast built-in, Spotify Connect, and Apple AirPlay 2. Customize your setup with 2 subwoofer choices. Pairs with Bravier for easy access to home theater system controls. Control content with your voice using Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Premium audio made easy with on-screen user interface for sound adjustments. Number 1 Yamaha for 930 UBL 5.1 channel home theater system. Speaker type surround. Recommended uses for product for surround sound systems. Compatible devices speaker. Mounting type floor standing. Bluetooth for wireless music streaming with compressed music enhancer. 4K Ultra HD pass-through with HDCP to point to support. Rated output power 1 kHz, 1 CH driven, 100 W8 ohms, 0.9% CHD, IPAU sound optimization for automatic speaker setup. 5.1 Channel compact black gloss speaker package. 6-1/2 100 watt powered subwoofer. DSP programs 17.